onto a table, stainless steel, looking for a way to forget how to feel. The body mechanic says he's clearing the trace, surgically erasing all the scars in the space. The lasers are humming, a cold, high-tech glow. I close both my eyes and I let the drugs flow. Drifting deep in the brain, they promise the cure for the weight of the pain. But through the white noise, the diagnostics run clear. I look at the monitors and swallow the fear. He isn't just scrubbing the ghost from my head, he's draining the fire and the rage till it's dead. I see the blueprint, I see the design. You're trying to lobotomize this sovereign mind. Keeping my defiance, keeping my rage. Can't trap my soul in your sensory. The scalpel is broken, the circuit is blown. I won't be a docile, predictable drone. Rip out the needle, let the system fail. We're breaking right out of this hell. That you've never seen. You wanted a puppet, you get the wrecking ball. Dismantling your clinic with the triumphant smirk, wrecking the system where the parasites lurk. You wanted me hollow, polite, and erased, but you're looking at a force that can never be chased. Sparking wire, spitting fire all over the floor as I kick my way right through your soundproof door. The alarms are all screaming, the red lights flash bright, but I walk through the smoke, fully armed for the fight. You tried to erase what was making me strong, but the body mechanic got the diagnosis wrong. My scars are my weapons, my rage is my own, and I'm tearing right down your sterile throat. Keeping my defiance, keeping my rage. Can't trap my soul in your sensory cage. The scalpel is broken, the circuit is blown. I won't be your docile, predictable drone. Rip out the needle, let the system fail. We're breaking right out of this hell. Keeping my defiance, keeping my rage. Can't trap my soul in your sensory cage. The scalpel is broken, the circuit is blown. I won't be your docile, predictable drone. Rip out the needle, let the systems fail. We're breaking right out of this hell. Thanks for the tune-up.